Would you like more, your sled or your bed?
I'd probably pick my sled. If my bed could be on my sled, that would be perfect. Hello, Frankie.
Hello.
How are you? Give me a high five.
This is Winter Olympics legend, Matt Weston.
You look very high up on that bed.
We're at the Dreams Bed Factory. I'm here to ask him about sport and sleep. What do you love most about the Winter Olympics, Matt?
Everyone comes together, supports their home nation, feel like part of a family.
So Frankie, I think they need your help here actually. Yeah, you ready to catch it?
Yeah.
Go, go, go! Quick, Frankie, quick! Frankie, quick! That's very neatly folded, isn't it?
How important is sleep for an athlete?
The best thing for me is recovery, and the best thing for that is sleep.
Do you think about gold medals in your dreams?
You know what? Sometimes I actually do.
Do you like jumping on the bed?
I love jumping on the bed. Oh, this one's 10 out of 10. Nice.